Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa for any of you guys that are new here. So today I am back with another first impressions review video for you guys. Today I'll be talking about a brand called Igloo Spa, and they are a brand who specializes in gel nail strips. So they were kind enough to send me two different colors from their line. So in honor of May being AAPI month, I am super excited to talk about Igloo Spa. They are a AAPI and woman-owned company, so any chance I have to support Asian and woman-owned companies, I'm all for it. So let's just get into the demo. And actually, before I get into the demo, I do want to talk a little bit more about the nail strips themselves. So I picked out two different colors. I got this one in Calm Sage, which is kind of like a minty color. So you can see this one's kind of like a minty set, and there's some nice gold detailing and some marbling in this set. And this is actually my favorite color, so I think I'm going to end up doing this one. And then the other color that I got, which is kind of similar but with a different color scheme, is this one in Tortoise Mauve. This one you can see it has like the tortoise marbling prints as well as some muted pink and mauve colors. So there are a bunch of other designs and colors on the website, which I'll link below, but I decided to go with these two. Also, these nails were made with a multi-layer gel technology, which gives you that gel effect on the nails, as well as some C-curve design that makes it easy to apply and has no wrinkles. So the one thing that I really love about these nails, which I think sets it apart from other gel strip nails, is that there's no LED lamp required. So that saves time of using the lamp and saves you the cost of using the lamp. So I like the convenience of these so far. Alright, so now let's get into the actual application of the nails. Alright, so like I mentioned before, I'm going to go with this Calm Sage color. I do have a wedding coming up. Whoops. I do have a wedding coming up, and my dress is a blue color, so I think this will go nicely with that. So first on the box, there are directions on the back on how to apply them, and this package includes 30 pieces of gel nail, so you can find the right size for your nails. And then it comes with the actual strips, the nail file, and alcohol wipes. Okay, so when you first open it, you get the actual gel nail strips, and then you can see in the back you can get the alcohol wipe and the nail file. Okay, so I have to decide what designs I want on which fingers and figure out the sizings. So you can see here they have a bunch of different sizes for you to choose from. These are the different prints that it came with, and I'm super excited because these colors are so pretty, and just feeling them, they feel really smooth and really thick and good quality. So okay, so I grabbed some tweezers just to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to do my ring finger first. So I'm going to take the alcohol pad and prep my fingers just to make sure everything's clean. Alright, so I have the first nail on, and it did take me a second to figure it out and get it on and file it, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually really easy. And as you can see, once I filed it, it actually cut off really smoothly, and I'll show you the piece. Let's see if I can salvage it. But this was the piece that filed off, and it came off really easily, and I actually didn't have to use these scissors at all. I thought it might be a little bit too long, but yeah, once you get the hang of it, it's really, really easy. So I'm gonna do my other nails, and I'll catch you guys up after that. So I did one nail first just to get the hang of it. So I'm going to show you on my other hand how I applied these. So first you want to clean your fingernails with the alcohol wipe just to get any residue off of there. And then you want to size your fingernail to the different strips here. So I'm just gonna hold it up to my fingernail and see which one fits the best. So I'm gonna go for this one right here, and I'm just gonna use the tweezers to peel it off of the adhesive. Alright, so I have it here, and then I'm just going to place it on my nail. So if you end up messing up or need to realign it, it peels off super easy. And then, alright, there you go. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult doing it with my left hand, but you just want to place it above your cuticle and then press down like so to secure it. And then at the top you can just fold it over like so. It's okay if it doesn't fall down at the edges, but you can just take the file and then start filing. And it does take a second to get used to this, but after a few seconds it actually files away super easily. So you can already see here, it's already, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see it's kind of breaking through the nail strip already. So just want to keep going. And it's super flexible, so once you get through the middle part, I like to do the edges. So I like to pull on it a little bit to round it out on the edge, and then continue filing. And once you make a dent into this, it usually goes pretty quickly. So just like that, and you can peel away. And super easy. And then you can kind of clean it up from there. Alright, and then we have our first nail there. So super quick, super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my nails, and then I'll catch up with you guys after. Alright, so I just finished doing all my nails and they turned out so good. So some final thoughts on Igloo Spa and their gel chip nails. I absolutely love these. These really surprised me. This was my first time using gel nails, and they were actually super easy for me to apply. And once you get the hang of it, I think it would only take about 15 minutes to do all 10 of your fingers. So here's a close-up of all the nails, and I think they look so good. You can see they're super shiny, and they give that gel polish illusion, and they also feel like they're gel polish nails. I've gotten gel polish nails before, and I hate how difficult it is to remove them. So these feel really secure, but I think if you wanted to change them, you easily could. And I don't know, I like the designs on them as well, and the different options that Igloo Spa offers. I love that it comes with everything that you really need. All you really need is the alcohol wipes for cleaning, the actual gel polish, and this tiny little file works wonders. All you have to do is give it a quick few swipes back and forth, and it's already cuts the gel nail pretty easily for you, so that makes application super easy and super quick. And I love that you don't need the LED lamp, because I feel like that just saves so much time. And I actually didn't even really need these scissors. I will say, if you have kind of weird shaped fingers like I do, or if for whatever reason they don't have the size that you need, these are easily customizable, and you can take little scissors like this and just cut around them and size them according to your fingernail. That's what I had to do for one of my thumbnails, because it was a little bit too big, so I just gave it a quick little trim, and then it fit perfectly. So these are really easy, really customizable if you need them to be. And yeah, I would recommend these to anybody who's looking to try out gel strip nails. And they're also really affordable. I think depending on the design you get, they range from like $14 to $16, so super affordable, and they look really nice. So Igloo Spa was kind enough to provide a discount code for y'all. It'll just be Memorial20 for 20% off, good until May 31st, which is the end of Memorial Day. So I hope you guys give them a chance and check them out. They're really great. I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm not getting paid to say these things or getting paid if you use a discount code. It's just there for you to use if you would like to try them out at a discount. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.